Welcome to the equipment talk. Today I'm going to go through how to clean your blades and how to oil your blades. Quite easy steps. So first of all, we're going to go through the clipper. This is your Anrich 2-speed clipper. If you pull two fingers on the back to open up the top flap, then you can use your toothbrush and just clean out all the gunk. And you can see where all the hair is inside of here that builds up. Excuse me. So you can just get all the hair out. You can be reasonably rough. You're not going to break anything. They're pretty strong clippers, and you can see the amount of stuff that is coming out of there. You can also use a blaster to blast inside of there to get into the finer bits. But as you can see, it's much cleaner. So we can pop that back on, and we're going to put our blade on. So we're going to clean our blade. This is a 7FC, and as you can see here, this is the top blade that moves. Now you can push all this way to the side, and you can see the two tracks, one track here and one track here. This is where the two bits of the blade connect to each other, that cross each other, that get hot, and that of course is where you sharpen your blade as well. So these are the 2 points here that we're going to want to oil and we're going to want to clean. Now you can move the blade all the way over to the side. Don't move it past this point here, otherwise, because this is spring loaded, and otherwise you won't get your blade back on. And just give it a clean again with the toothbrush, and then push this to the other side like that, and you can see there's a bit of hair underneath there, and just get rid of it with a toothbrush. Now you can oil your blades while they're off the blade. Easiest thing to do is pop them on your blade and get your clipper oil. So Anrich clipper oil is what you'll get with your clippers. They come with all the clippers, and because you use so much little oil, that will last you a long time. And you want to turn them on, and I'm going to turn it off just so you can hear what I'm saying. And if you just pop one drop there, and then one drop just on the side blade there, and then turn them on, that will distribute the oil. If you didn't hear me, that will distribute the oil. And then you can get some blue roll and just dab it down. Make sure you hold your clipper down, because if you hold it up, then the oil is just going to go all the way down your clippers. And that is enough oiling. So that's your clipper blade. Your scissors, again, you pivot in the middle here. If you open it up, you can see there's some hair in there. Again, use a toothbrush. Make sure you use a toothbrush and not a wire brush, and just brush it down. And again, with the same clipper oil, you can stick a drop here and a drop there, and then you can just work it in. All right. What you can do is just run your finger. Don't run it down the blade, but just run it down the core bit. And then again, just working the oil in right into the hinge bit there. And then again, you wipe down the excess oil, and you're all done. Thank you very much.